The commercial real estate puzzle. Meet Cooper, walking through a busy American city with his favorite coffee and a very honest t-shirt. He looks up at the towering glass and steel structures reaching for the clouds. Wait a minute. All these buildings, someone actually OWNS them? And that is where our story about commercial real estate in the United States begins. In the world of real estate, there are two main kingdoms to understand. One is residential for living, and the other is commercial for business. Commercial real estate means properties used for business purposes instead of living. Think about office buildings, shopping malls, hotels, and even warehouses. Every time a shop opens, they are likely renting from a real estate investor. So, the landlord of this place isn't selling burgers, but still making money? Exactly. Investors make money by leasing space to businesses every month. The bigger and better the location, the higher the rent can be. Cooper starts counting the types on his fingers like a math puzzle. First, there are office buildings, the tall towers where companies run. Lawyers, tech companies, and marketing agencies all rent these spaces. When companies grow, they move into larger offices, increasing the owner's rent. Next, Cooper walks past a colorful shopping center filled with life. This is called retail real estate malls, gyms, and grocery store plazas. Cooper hears a loud truck backing up at a huge building near the highway. This is industrial real estate warehouses and distribution centers. These places are vital for shipping products all across the country. He suddenly stops in front of a giant hotel with shiny glass doors. Wait, does this count too? Yes. Hotels and resorts are commercial too. These properties generate steady income from guests or apartment tenants. Investors don't just buy randomly. They study location and economic activity. A restaurant wants foot traffic, while a warehouse needs highway access. But buying these buildings is not cheap. Many cost millions of dollars. That is why investors pool their money and work with banks to finance deals. Commercial leases are much longer, often lasting 10 or 20 years. It's not just about collecting rent. Owners must manage and maintain the property. When done correctly, this is one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies. By the end of his walk, Cooper's brain feels like a real estate textbook. Every tower and warehouse now looks like a giant money-making puzzle. Businesses run the stores, customers buy products, and the owner quietly collects rent. Sometimes the smartest move is not running the shop. It's owning the building. Cooper walks off into the night, seeing the city in a whole new way.